Previously on The Bartender.
The little girl Tonya, she's going to go through a little trial and tribulation. And she might need Uno to support her.
I'm afraid. You're not afraid?
No, I'm kind of excited and anxious.
If I'm pregnant, I'm starting most holy things like what I'm going to do with the music and everything.
I don't want to know, Brenny. You want to know?
Yeah.
Because I know say when I'm my back, I no fire blank.
When you want to know, come, let's go.
I'm up on the road ahead for go home.
Your burner just got off the grid.
I see quick on the surveillance camera and him alone walk come around here.
I know say quick at your family, but you can't make your emotions rule you.
But when it comes to Tonya, you make sure say she don't end up in another of them box there. And I'm going to put my effort into making sure that Tonya is alright.
We are linked here? Yeah. We are linked.
Tonya, out it up.
Most get kids.
Listen, quick girl on our house the other day. Roko trailing.
You know, say, such man them, where owe we piece of food. Them link me, you know. Yeah, them same one.
What do you want to say?
Them tell me to link them for a piece of food.
Tony, we're gonna shut up quick. Okay. Yeah, me just get some information from Dada. You're gonna take lead.
Virgin, what kind of business you know? I one of them, my lad. Yeah, but me understand say a town me come from, but this a place that look like an abandoned building, my own. Wait a sec, come down. Alright.
Hi!
You never see smoke without clap.
Tony,
Yes, Mama?
are you firing shot there?
No, I know me. I rook a fire for quick.
Okay, man. Come on, let's go.
worry yourself. A full clip for you.
Never know, say, a fool like you that come kill a real killer like me. Bumbo.
What going man?
Him dead?
Tonya.
Real quick. Think him there only so. Him get shot.
What?
Quick, just hold on. One ambulance step on the way. Just hold on.
I don't catch your grasses, boy.
No worry about that, man. No worry about that.
It's feel cool.
Boss, you don't stay.
He might lose a whole heap of blood.
Listen, can't feel my foot.
I get you. Okay. Hello, sir. I got good news. Very, very good news. So, I called about 7 times and when I get here, so when you get this voice note, don't even sit down, just come straight to the house. Okay? Love you. take it? Okay. I'll be there.
Everything I got. Just take it easy.
What them say, Bubbles?
Gunshot near him spine.
Shit. The cripple thing that.
Not necessarily, you know. Them have to do a surgery though. But them have to be very careful.
You talk about the printing?
Yeah. She not do so good. So she don't want to come to the hospital, come see him so.
I can't believe this. I should just find out that she's pregnant.
All we have to know is offer our support. We're still up on assignment. So, perk up, look alive. Alright? Tonian? I know it hard. But we'll have to snap out tight now.
Come and talk to the youth, man. John no star, look come a big bumbo. Come a big police. Watch over my friend's shoulder. Shut your God, star. I'm have to look for a ticket now for fly go back to Jamaica for a broke my trip right now. Yo.
son, so? You alright?
Yeah, I just miss you. Alright, see, like when now come home, I'm going to stay over Bubbles for your weekend.
Alright, no problem. Yeah. When you sleep, why you take and turn and all that talk? You trying good?
You baby, you have a bad dream.
Alright. Come home and do that kind of work, everything done, so you know we can get to sleep together. You know, stay safe and I love you.
I love you too, babe.
Alright, yeah.
Bye. Bubbles, we can't come stay over your house for your weekend. Karim now go day here. And I don't want to day here by myself. Alright, thanks. Bubbles, I didn't sleep good last night. And Karim realized because I had a toss and a turn in my sleep. May I see him face? May I hear the gunshot them? It's like he might haunt me.
Whitey, welcome to the real world. Remember the first time he killed somebody.
Bubbles, please don't say that word there. Me I try avoid it in my head from yesterday.
Relax. I just whisper. Come.
Oh, that killer.
Whisper.
Good man, bossy. Welcome to it, you know. I have to get used to it, man. Boop, boop.
Whisper.
You used to it, you know? But I don't think I'll get used to this. Bubbles, I don't believe in a taking life.
Tonian, I understand. But it's either him or you. Which one you prefer?
Understand.
Hold on, so you vomited?
From a reaching yesterday, all inside right so feels sore.
Yeah man, see there? I working, I know. Killer instincts are sticky. Sorry boss. But look on it out here. One less stray bird on the road.
So, I'm here for a write the report here?
Yes, T. But don't worry yourself. I will walk you through it.
That's just one problem I have in a bossy. We don't have no information to get from Fiend's side. So we reach another dead end.
Yeah. And we run out of people we can get with close to Tony.
That one is my fault.
Don't ever say that. Better him than you. You take a criminal off of the street, Tonian.
Bossy, you don't think the Asian youth can give us some kind of lead?
That youth don't know Tony. And Rocco him do all I'm dealings with.
Brother, they are smart, brother, you know, man. Man, know for covering tracks, you know.
What happened to Celine? She not supposed to get closer to Carlton to get to Tony.
Yeah, really, you know. You not get a report?
No. It looked like Celine gone in a deep sleep.
Deep sleep? She get a different assignment? The Carlton's supposed to mark.
I don't know. Maybe Mr. Mullins gave her a different assignment.
Bossy, remember say we're a team, you know. You can make her know.
Alright. I know say certain things supposed to be above on a peer grade. But it looked like Celine missing.
Missing? What you mean? Like somebody take her away?